Automating proposal follow-ups can save you hours and drastically increase your chances of landing a deal. In this quick 3-minute tutorial, I'll show you how to automate proposal follow-ups with freelance tools to streamline your workflow and maximize efficiency. Stick with me because I'll also share an exclusive free trial of the software we're using today, so you can follow along and start automating your proposals today. First, let's talk about why automating follow-ups is so important. When you're freelancing, you're juggling multiple clients and proposals. Chasing down responses can be time-consuming and frustrating. That's where automation comes in. By using the right tools, you can automate reminders, follow-ups, and even re-engagement emails. This frees you up to focus on delivering top-quality work instead of managing your inbox. Now, let's dive into the software we'll be using today. This software allows you to create automated workflows for your proposals, so you don't have to worry about manually checking up on every proposal you send. We'll set it up so that it automatically follows up based on your custom schedule. First, log into your account and navigate to the automation or workflow section. Here, you'll create a new workflow for follow-ups. Start by selecting the action Send Follow-up Email after a specific time, usually a few days after sending your initial proposal. You can personalize the message so that it sounds natural and not like a generic reminder. Next, you can add multiple follow-up emails into your workflow. Let's say you want to follow up 3 days after sending the proposal, then again 7 days later if you don't hear back. You can create different email templates for each stage, one that's a gentle reminder and another one that re-emphasizes the benefits of working together. The key is to have a clear yet non-pushy approach that keeps your prospect engaged. Another great feature is the ability to segment your proposals based on client status. For example, if you've already had a conversation and sent a quote, you can set up an automation that only follows up with proposals that haven't been viewed or replied to. This helps you focus on the most important leads and ensure nothing slips through the cracks. This software also allows you to integrate with your calendar and sync it with your email. This means that when you send a proposal, it can automatically check when the recipient is most likely to open it and schedule follow-ups accordingly. These smart automations will keep your pipeline moving without extra effort on your part. Now, if you want to try this software for yourself, I've partnered up with them to offer you an exclusive free trial. You can find the link in the description below. This trial is only available to viewers of my channel, so take advantage of it while it's available. The key takeaway here is simple. Automating your proposal follow-ups can help you save time and increase your chances of landing more clients. Don't get bogged down by manual tracking. Let the software do the work for you. To recap, set up automated workflows, use personalized templates for follow-ups, and segment your proposals based on client status for better results. Lastly, don't forget to grab your exclusive free trial in the description below and start automating your follow-ups today. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.